In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a meeting item from your inbox, save it, and surface time tracking details so everything you need is in one place. First, open ClickUp and head to your inbox. This is your central hub for notifications and quick actions, and it's a great starting point for creating meetings you want to track. Make sure you're on the primary tab so you can see your personal items and controls. If your view looks different, that's okay. Just focus on finding the inbox in your workspace sidebar. Near the Personal section, look for a small arrow icon. Click that arrow to expand your options. This reveals quick Create shortcuts tucked under Personal, which makes it faster to spin up structured items without jumping around the app. From the expanded options, choose Meeting. This creates a dedicated meeting item so you can capture an agenda, participants, and follow-ups later, without mixing it into unrelated tasks. It also ensures your meeting lives where your team already works. When the meeting form opens, type in a clear, descriptive meeting name. Use a naming pattern that helps you and your team search later, like Team Sync, March Week 1, or Client Review, Q1 Roadmap. Consistent names make filtering, reporting, and sharing much easier, especially as your list of meetings grows. Next, click Save. This locks in the new meeting item and drops it into your list, ready for you to enhance with details. Saving early also prevents accidental loss if you get pulled into something else. Now, let's make the meeting more useful at a glance. At the top of your list or table view, find the option to Add a column. Click it to open the column library. In the search bar, type Time Tracked. This column displays the total time recorded on the meeting, which is essential for visibility, billing, or team capacity planning. When you see Time Tracked in the results, toggle it on. You should now see a new column in your view, ready to aggregate any time entries associated with this meeting. One final improvement. Add the key link directly in the meeting's description. Open the description field and paste the link your attendees need most. This could be the video call link, a shared agenda document, or a relevant resource. Keeping the link in the description ensures anyone opening the meeting can join or prepare without digging through chats or emails. That's it. You opened Inbox, expanded your personal tools, created a meeting, named and saved it, added the time-tracked column, and placed the critical link right in the description. Follow these steps each time to keep your meeting structured, trackable, and easy for everyone to use.